In this video, I will show you how to create radio button in Figma. So in order to do that, first things first is to head over and then create in here the base shape. So for example, let's head over and then just create in here a shape. So I have in here this one. So what we can do is we can head over and then just choose in here the ellipse tool if you want to actually add in here a shape. So you have rectangle as well as this ellipse. Let's add in here an ellipse. And then once you have added that, next thing you need to do is to just customize its appearance by going over to the design option right here. So you can create variants onto this one. You can head over and then select in here the button. And then from in there, just scroll down and we should be able to see in here the options for effects as well as alignment. And for this one, you can also head over to the prototype and then create the connection. So onto the prototype tab, what we can do is we can head over right here to the interactions. And then for this one, just head over and click onto this clip. Make sure that the trigger is while hovering. And in here, you can input right here a hover state. You can click onto this action and then put in here this overlays that we have as well as conditional or variable mode. So you can choose which one you want for that. So in here you can create labels using the text tool. You can click onto this one and input right here a text that you want to add. And then put in here any text. Then after that, go to presentation mode in order to check out if this actually is viable for the radio tool option right here. Do take note that you need to make sure that the overlay is actually designed or is actually available for this one. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.